We're thrilled to be helping to make a difference to children's safety on and around the roads. Our in-house traffic experts and our regional social sustainability committees have developed a programme which we're so incredibly proud of, as it teaches children with special educational needs vital road safety skills. It's memorable, it's interactive, and it will help protect children in our communities.
And why do you think it's important to cross the road safely?
Because
What might be on the road?
a car.
Lots of cars and moving traffic.
We've been really fortunate to have them bring in some of the real life equipment that they would experience outside of the school, and it's allowed us to facilitate specific lessons for each individual child and make sure that they maximise their learning while they're here.
I'm waiting for the red man or the green man?
A green man.
The green man.
The reaction's been brilliant, they've loved it. As the children were coming into school this morning, their faces lit up when they could see all the equipment out. I think they've learnt a lot from today, and being able to practice in a safe environment has really helped them.
And what about the traffic lights? Did you enjoy those today?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what do we need to look for when we're crossing the road safely? Can you remember what we need to do?
Yeah, I'll go right and left.
Look right and left, that's right, well done.
This programme will reach so many children and make such a difference to their safety and ultimately their lives. With thanks to our specialists from the Traffic Division, we're thrilled to mark Road Safety Week with a long-lasting impact through the launch of this programme.